Through these expenditure reductions, the government managed to save 85 billion rands. This has enabled it to make necessary provisions for the recently announced fee-free higher education.
The largest reallocations of resources towards government's priorities was on higher education and training, amounting to additional funding of 57 billion rand over the medium term. As a result, this is the fastest growing spending category, with an annual average growth of 13.7%. Accordingly, this government is proud to implement a major step forward towards our ultimate goal of guaranteeing access to higher education and training for all South Africans who qualify based on merit, not on class position.
A large chunk of this year's expenditure of 1.94 trillion rands will go to departments that are key to service delivery. 792 billion rands goes to basic education, 668 billion to health. Social grants will receive 528 billion rands and more than 200 billion each to safety and security and to economic developments. The above inflation allocation to social grants is aimed at alleviating the impact of a percentage point increase of VAT to recipients.
The old age pension, care dependency, and disability grant from the 1st of April will be increased by 90 rand, from 1,600 to 1,690 rand, and by a further 10 rand to 1,700 rand on the 1st October 2018. The child support grant will increase from the baseline of 380 rand to 400 rand on 1 April. And to 410 rand on the 1st of October. This is a 6.6% annual increase. An additional 2.6 billion rand has been added since the MTBPS to social grants to enable these changes. These adjustments resulted in social protection spending increasing by 7.9% per year, much above inflation. As highlighted by the President in the State of the Nation address, government will ensure that social grants will continue to be paid without disruption.
At least 16 million South Africans are the recipients of social grants. Other prioritized challenges include drought relief projects in the Western, Eastern and the Northern Cape provinces. Land reform and industrialization also received sharp increases. All these allocations are subject to approval by Parliament next week. Manilisi Tubase, SABC News, Parliament.